There's a lot more goes into running a football club than most folk realise. Most fans turn up 15 to 20 minutes before kick-off, watch the game, maybe buy a pie and a cup of tea, then leave a few minutes after the final whistle. But they probably didn't realise the size of the team behind the scenes that is needed to make a club run even at this level of football. In case you're wondering, we're in Tier 5 of the Scottish football pyramid, one below the SPFL. With the new season upon us, and after having a chat with Finlay reaching his milestone of 1,000 games as club secretary, I thought it would be interesting to go behind the scenes with some of the folk who volunteer their time to help run the club. In this video I'll meet up with Derek to see what's involved in being the club kitman. In the next video I'll be going behind the scenes with James Adams, who looks after the matchday hospitality. Alright Derek, it's Friday night before the first game of the season and you're still going to do the normal kit thing, setting up the kit. So how long have you been the kitman?
It's about 5 seasons now, I think.
Alright. And how did you get into being the kitman?
Mark asked me. I was driving a bus at the same time and I got a message from him to give him a phone and he says, "You want to be kitman?" I says, "Aye."
So you started kitman when you...
Still a kitman, but...
When you stopped driving the bus, or was you doing both at the same time?
I was doing both the buses and kitman at the same time. I've stopped driving the buses, that's probably coming up 4 years now.
Alright, so you've just been doing a kit for the last 4 years without having to drive the bus as well? Right.
So, it's all good.
So that's just a normal routine, a Friday night, coming in and setting up before the game?
Just the game, I get the email for fit kit it is. I get tagged in with Mark and Finlay and the referees.
So if I decides fit kit you're playing, is it a ref that decides that?
We play our home kit, but if it clashes, they decide if it happens.
So like black and white as well, so if they've obviously played a war kit, but if it's too similar to your home kit then we'd have to change kits as well, eh?
Aye, they change kits, aye. But because we're at home, we get the overall kit. So likes in the morning, wearing our home kit and we're wearing red socks because it's clashing with Formartin's kit.
So they're red and white is their home kit. What's their away kit like this year? Can't remember if it colour it was last year.
They're black and red for their away kit. So
that was similar to your to last year?
Yeah. Some of the players has got cut socks. I came far get some cut socks and fuzz long socks. Jimmy Bakery. He's cut socks.
So that's he's got flat cuffs on
He's not cut socks, he's long socks. He likes his long socks. Paul Young, he likes his long socks. Jake Garvin, Kieran Simpson. Most of them are 14, 15 long socks and the rest of them cut.
Right.
This is just the last of the tops going up. Abdi's numbers are for the set.
So they're pretty superstitious about for the set every week, eh?
Aye, players got their aim ready for the set, so I came to pick cut socks up and neck cut socks up. That's how the training, warm up t-shirts out as well.
So the red tops on the bench are just for warm up before the game and then just come in and change in?
Aye, come in and change into their normal top.
So that's the first team kit taken care of. Do you also do the under 18s and under 21 teams?
Aye, I do the under 18s and that at home. I have went to some away games, but not a lot.
But they're both most of Monday nights as well?
Aye, they're Monday nights, aye.
So you're pretty much here Monday, Saturday for home games and
Monday
possibly a Wednesday for a midweek game as well?
Midweek game and all, so okay. three nights a week.
Right, so that's the kit. So what's after now? Just sort the bars out?
Sort the bars out for...
So I know there's a few different types of bars there. Is there specific bars for like the league and different competitions and that?
Aye, well this is for match bars for the first team. That's a match bars for the under 18s and 20s. That's a goalkeepers. Warm up bars. This is warm up bars for match games.
Okay. So you have to pump them up to make sure at a certain pressure, right?
Aye, certain pressure, aye. That's new ones, they're 14. It
Just tells you on the valve, right?
aye, it tells you on the valve, 14.
Okay.
It's already set.
And that's a power pump, it saves you pumping them up by hand.
Aye, definitely, aye. Tucks them into if you've got a few bars.
Okay, so pump all the bars up and
Pump all the bars up, and I would stick one in the referee's room.
which is through here.
Just here.
Nice changing area for the refs and showers and that.
Showers, aye.
Looks quite new, is it?
Aye, it's got done up a couple of years ago, so it is good, aye. This is the wash machines for a kit.
So do you chuck a kit in after a game or do you come back down later on? And
No, straight after the game. The warm-up t-shirts go in the wash straight just before the game. Well, just before the game starts. They take it off, I put them in. Then I think it's hung up.
so does it just dry in here, right?
No, I put it out here,
Or outside? To
outside, well,
get a bit of
outside the
air in?
corridor, or outside. Outside, put up a tunnel sometimes.
Right.
Only shorts and socks goes in the dryer, nothing else gets hung up.
So how many bars do you get? Does the league supply the bars or do you have to buy them? from the
We
club?
get match bars for the league, then the training bars, the club buys for the training bars and the warm-up bars.
And how many do you lose in a season if you're going up to like Sir Banks of Dean blazing it into the river or the gorse bushes behind the Lossy goals?
We lost 3 at the Turf, Bender River, you can't find them. So lost,
So you just lost 3 last season?
we lost 3 up there, we lost a couple up at Nairn, because that goes right over into the big bushes, so you can't get them. So
And other gorse bushes at Lossy Mouth as well.
I lost it as well, aye.
So if it's a goal to nail lose a bar this season?
No, hopefully nail it, yeah. So there is a few of them that kicks them out all the time, so it's funny, like, yeah.
They kick them out the top and they should be scoring.
Even in warm up here, we get them on the garages here. It goes right over into the car park the other side.
Aye, past the reef.
Aye, or the reef, or
And
Paul's
the
garage.
Folks' garage.
That's a challenge to get there now.
Okay then, is there anything else you do before kick off tomorrow? Or?
No, I just come down and see if Omni's needing anything. And Sarah, there's like a spare top for Sarah to go in her bag if somebody gets injured in the park in case there's bleed goes on them.
Actually, I'll play with a bloody strip for you.
No, that's it. Again, the referees will tell you to take it off anyway. Sometimes folk get a bleeding nose and stuff. That's not happened for a while, so.
Alright, okay then Derek, thanks for your time.
Aye,
And
no
I'll
bother.
see you at the game tomorrow.
Right, thank you.
Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the hospitality hut in the next video.